If you're just starting as an affiliate marketer, don't worry, we're here to guide you. Let's explore essential tips and strategies to set you on the path to affiliate marketing success. Choose a passionate niche. Selecting a niche you're passionate about and that's in demand is crucial. To accomplish this, research various niches, evaluate market demand, and identify topics that genuinely interest you. Your passion will naturally shine through in your content. Research and select affiliate programs. Delve into affiliate programs that align with your chosen niche. Look for programs offering competitive commissions, reliable tracking, and products or services your audience would find valuable. Thorough research ensures a beneficial partnership. Create quality content. Crafting quality content is foundational. Produce blog posts, videos, or social media content that educates, entertains, or solves a problem for your audience. Incorporate affiliate links seamlessly within your content to avoid being overly promotional. Promote through various channels. Diversify your promotion strategy across social media, email marketing, and SEO. Leverage each channel's strengths. Engage on social platforms, build an email list for direct communication, and optimize your content for search engines. This approach broadens your audience reach. Monitor and optimize. Regularly monitor your performance metrics to understand what's working and what needs improvement. Analyze click-through rates, conversion rates, and audience engagement. Use this data to optimize your strategy, adjusting your content, promotion channels, and affiliate partnerships accordingly. Conclusion. Affiliate marketing is a journey that requires time and effort, but armed with these tips, you can accelerate your success. Stay committed, continuously learn, and adapt your strategies based on performance data. For more insights and strategies, follow us. Be sure to like and comment below to help the algorithm. Go to billycolbertusa.com. Thanks for watching.